The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch?
Dancehall. Because I'm not understanding how I've walked past you.
Don't raise your fingers.
I want to know, right. What is the problem? Okay. I have walked past you.
Don't raise your fingers.
I've walked past you, and because I didn't say good morning to you, and you've turned around.
Well, you carry on talking. You be here as long as you like, mate. I've got all day, right? You carry on talking.
Because I didn't walk, because I've walked past you and I didn't say good morning, it seems to be a problem now. Why? I'm here to pick up my kids.
Tell me when you're finished.
I'm finished. What's the problem?
You're going to let me speak?
Go on, speak.
Okay, so I've walked past you. You haven't spoken to me.
Yeah.
Okay, you haven't made eye contact with me.
And your point
I've then come to you and that's what you're doing at the airport.
And your point
Which
is?
Every power I've got to do, right? I've got that power to do that with anybody within the airport. Okay?
But the white man walked past you, everybody walked past you.
You play the race card.
I don't mind.
Play the race card as much as you want, mate.
What, because I've got a hood on? Do you want me to take my hood off?
Makes no odds. You played the race card.
You've got me here, standing here for what reason?
Because I'm speaking to you. Because you're
I don't want to speak to you.
Okay. Well, who do you want to speak to?
Nobody. I want to speak to my wife and kids.
Well, when I find out who you are, right? And if that is the genuine purpose of you being here...
You mean that's the genuine purpose?
Arrivals is up there. You're walking towards departures.
I've walked from over there through into the building because it's cold, and I've walked down the hill.
Have you got any ID on you?
Huh?
You haven't got any ID
It's in my car.
Okay. What's your name?
Carl.
Is that with a C or a K?
Huh? You know something? Have I got my wallet?
You got a bank card?
You want ID? Yeah?
Got a bank card, it'll be good.
I'll give you ID, mate.
Thank you very much.
Yeah? Go on. Come on, because this is... I want to see what's going on. I do, to be fair.
I've explained to you.
Huh? You've explained to me. You've explained nothing.
Well, you won't let me
You've explained nothing. You've explained that you don't. You want to talk to me, and I'm not interested in talking to you.
Okay.
And because I've walked past you, you now decide that you want to detain me for what?
The purpose.
Because of what? Because what? How many other people have walked past you and have not said, "Oh, everybody says good morning to you"?
What do you think your reason is then?
What's my reason? Yeah. What? Because I haven't said hello to you?
No.
Huh?
No, it's not that reason.
What then? Because I don't want to talk to you.
Okay.
Yeah. What's the problem?
That's fine.
If I don't want to talk to you, what's the issue?
To speak to anybody.
Yeah, you can speak to anybody. Can you detain people?
Yes, I can.
For what reason? On what grounds?
To find out.
On what grounds?
Under the bylaws of the airport, okay, which you can check out online, I have the right to stop and detain anybody I feel.
Yeah, and it seems to be the first black man that walks past you.
There we go.
Yes, it is.
There we go.
That's it. That's what it is.
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations. I'm right in it.
Okay, yeah. If that's what you want to believe, you carry on. If that's what you want to believe.
I will believe it all day long.
Fine.
Yeah, because statistics and society tells me that, innit?
That's
yeah?
fine.
You finished checking me out?
Not quite.
Yeah?
And what flight's your wife and your kids coming on?
Don't worry about all of these. What's the issue, man? This is you're like always asking questions for what reason?
Okay, so give me the answer.
Huh?
Give me the answer.
I'm here to pick up my missus and kids.
Okay, from what flight?
Huh?
What flight?
Jamaica.
Okay, what time does it arrive?
It's arrived already. They're in the thing waiting for me.
In where?
In the arrivals.
Okay, arrivals is that way, not that way.
Arrivals is there.
Is it?
Isn't that department?
Okay, I work at the airport.
Well, I've walked past. Hold on. So how I've walked past. I'm looking. Where's my daughter? On my phone.
And who they're flying with? Do you know?
I don't know. Jet 2 or I ain't got a clue. Whoever it is.
Wouldn't be Jet 2.
Shauna, where are you? Yeah, but how do I get to arrivals? Cause I've just walked past arrivals, I think. So from what the policeman's telling me, yeah. Come out the front.
By the arrivals door.
Yeah, I'm by the arrivals. So what are you on about? That says the policeman detained me because I didn't say hello to him. I'm outside arrivals, Lashana. Because I didn't say hello to him.
There's 2 gates by arrivals, man.
Huh?
There you go. There's 2 doors, there's another one outside the shop as well.
Where are you? Yeah, you've got no choice but to let me go. Just detaining me for no fucking reason, like a twat.
Viewers and subscribers, this video that shows of a man being detained by police officers is a very sticky one for me to explain right about now, due to the fact that some people on social media are going to say the police officer wrong, and some people are going to say the man that is being detained wrong. Right? That is how people feel. Some people will say this, some people will say that. You understand me? And let me explain, because there's 2 sides to the story right about now. On the police officer's side is a different way of looking at the situation, and on the man that is being detained side is another way to look at the situation. Now, we are going to look at it at the police officer's side. Now, the police officers say that they are there and located at the airport, because you know airports have police officers there, right? And this man is there. He's supposed to be protecting and securing the airport, and him see somebody that is passing in a hood or hoodie or pullover. Some people call it pullover, some people call it hoodie, some people call it hood. You know what I mean? That's the thing we go over them head, right? That's to stay warm. Now, if you notice in the video, the man said just because him have him hood on, that's what I mean, the pullover thing. You see me? Alright, that's one thing you have to look at now. See? Now, remember, we're talking on the police officer's side. Now, the police officers, they are there to protect and secure the airport, and if see somebody that looks suspicious, they are going to want to do their jobs, because if anything should happen where this man has some form of intentions of hurting people and so forth, and then him go in the airport and create any form of damage, then it is going to be looking bad on them, and they will have to answer to their commissioner, whosoever is in charge or chief of them. You get what I'm saying to you? So on their side, that is how them I look at it. Now, on the man that has been detained side now, this is how he's looking at it now. He knows within himself that he's not going to do anything wrong. He's just going there to meet family members and so on. But at the same time, him see himself being detained by police officers when him have nothing as a bad intention towards God or anything. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? So, on both sides, these people are looking at it as equal to themselves. So here is where I am going to put input in the situation now, viewers and subscribers. The best thing I see in a situation like this, because remember now, the law is the law, and there is no beating the law. You have to just comply with the law, and that's the safest, best, and the fastest way to get out of most situations when you find yourself, having to deal with police officers, right? So if you are walking or you're going somewhere and so forth, and police officers stop you and say that you look suspicious or anything like that, maybe because you have a pullover, as in this case. Because in this case, the first thing we look at when them say have a pullover, may I say most places, not say most places, sorry about that. I'm saying that some places are cold. You get what I'm saying to you? So pullover is something that is needed to keep warm and them things. So when we look at it, if that be the case, then a situation like this might not be, relevant. But anyways, the point is now, what I say is, in most cases, it's best to comply with the law, right? If the police say, yo, him want an ID, or him want this, or him want that, don't hesitate. Just take it out, give it to him, get it over with, everything is done, and you're on your merry way, and them things there, see me? But if you're going to resist, then it's going to take longer, and a whole lot of things and so forth. But if you know in yourself that you're clean and you're not up to doing anything wrong, nothing is wrong with just giving whatsoever is needed so that you can be on your merry way, and they can know that, well, that is a good citizen going on his way right there. You see me? And that's the best advice we can give towards a situation like this. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and posted. This video shows of a man that is being detained by police officers, and the police officers seems to have found him to be suspicious. But the video is posted on social media saying that he has been detained for not saying hello. You see me I say? So that's how the thing said. You see? Alright. You don't know me, Dancehall there. Just let me know what you think about something like this. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see?
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla. DETAINED.